his own career. And want to know how?
Hello, I'm...
And why? Before we get into the video, can you like and subscribe? Glider Guy got exposed for his bad actions in Discord, saying he hates his fans and saying racist things. And I have Stranter, and I had gathered a lot of proof about Glider Guy. I will now show the Discord DM proof now. How does he even have a fan base after what he had said and done? There's also one more proof I need to show you guys, and it's a real life proof of him I will show now.
Next.
This is very offensive to be stopped. That's all for today. Bye, Pooks.
Hello, I'm...